First, you need to visually think about what you're speaking about. Put yourself in the situation. What I'm trying to do here is get you to do it in one take, okay? Which is what I'm saying. I'm asking you to do the impossible, but you just did it. But look what happened with the music. As soon as I put on the music, your rhythm changed.
You know, when Mom cooked, nobody could beat the fresh aroma that came from her kitchen.
The next voice we hear will be yours. Please look at the microphone. And here we go. 3, 2, 1, and rolling.
You know, when Mom cooked, nobody could beat the fresh aroma that came from her kitchen.